got another project with the August mystery box from Expressions Vinyl. And today we are going to use the Caesar Aurora in the goldish that comes in the box. It is such a fun color shifting, just a fun color. It's like green, it's gold. There's hints of pink in there when you look at it. It's just so fun. So we're going to put it on this navy blue onesie that I got from Hobby Lobby. But something I want to show you, I'm using one of the cut files from the box. It's this fun sun. The lines on it, for how little I'm doing it on the onesie, the lines on it are a little bit thin. If I was doing it bigger, it would be better. But where it's so small, I went ahead and in Silhouette Studio, I did an offset on the lines. So I've got one that's the original cut file, and then this side over here is the little bit thicker lines. And I also love this Aurora. The way it weeds, you can just bend it and pop out those things. It's just, it holds up great. So this is going to make for a little bit easier weeding time. And I will show you the difference between those really thin lines and the thicker lines. Now I'll show it to you against that dark of the onesie so you can see it better. Here, let's do this. You can see the difference. This is just a little bit thicker, and this one we lost some little details, and so just depending on the size of your images, if you want to do smaller images, just thicken up those cut lines. And it's easier to weed and you get a better result. Trim off our edges there. All right, and we are ready to press. I love this sun. It's so fun. Okay, reminds me of the 90s. And we don't need a pillow. Put our onesie in and do a quick little pre-press. And this Caesar Aurora in the goldish color that I'm using, it likes a cold peel. So after we press it, we're gonna wait a minute to peel off that carrier sheet. So 305 degrees for 10 to 15 seconds. Okay. Now we're going to let this cool off before we take off that carrier sheet. An awesome thing I didn't do on this, but an awesome thing about the Aurora is you can layer on top of it. Pull off. We're going to carefully peel off our carrier sheet, making sure everything is sticking to our onesie. You just got to be careful with those thin little lines. Everything's sticking down. If it's not, just go ahead and press it again. Woohoo! Isn't that so cute? I love the gold and the navy blue. So fun.